how to sell items in Roblox. So if this video helps, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are more tutorials in this channel. So a very quick tutorial for today. We are here on our Roblox dashboard. So we are going to go to the inventory here in the left side of the page. So in the inventory you will see here all of the types of items such as clothes, pictures, and other things. For me, I have no items, so this will look like if you have an item. So you have this item here, an inkwell egg, and you should click on the three dots here. And after clicking on the three dots, you will see that there is a sell option. Just click on sell. After the sell option, you can click on the sell now so you can sell this Roblox item. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you and see you on the next video.